Good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Marcelina Rukmana, a first semester student majoring in Information System and Technology at Cakrawala University. Today, I will be presenting my final project for the Web Client Development course. The project is titled Profile Website, which is a personal portfolio website I built using modern technology based on React and Next.js. This website is designed as a digital personal branding platform that showcases my identity, skills, experience, and work sample professional. As a student just beginning my journey in the information technology field, I recognize the importance of having a digital portfolio that is accessible anytime and anywhere. The goal is to make a strong first impression on lecturers, recruiters, and potential collaborators. The main idea behind this website is how I can effectively communicate who I am, what I can do, and what I have accomplished within a clean, well-structured, and visually appealing digital space. I am to create a website that is not only informative but also aesthetic and interactive. Therefore, I adopt a modern minimalistic design with dark colors, ensuring the site is responsive and fast to load. I also designed this website to be easily expandable in the future, allowing for addition like a blog, extra portfolio items, or even a simple backend system, aligning with my continuous learning spirit. I also created an initial design for this website in Figma. The design can be accessed via the following link or by scanning the QR code on the slide. This design serves as the main reference to ensure consistency and professionalism in the development process. This is a mock-up of my portfolio website displayed across various devices. The purpose is to demonstrate that the appearance remains consistent and responsive on all screen sizes, desktop, tablet, and mobile. The first step I took was initializing the project using the common npx create next app with TypeScript option, as I wanted to learn to create a safe and scalable project from the start. I organized the folder structure by placing components in the component folder, while the main pegs are defined in src slicing up slicing page.tsx. For styling, I use Tailwind CSS, which allow me to write style directly within class name attribute. I run the website locally using npm rundev, and once development was complete, I deploy it on Vercel to make it publicly accessible. In the developing this website, I utilize several modern technologies widely used in the industry today. First, I employed React as the primary JavaScript library, which simplifies building interactive component-based user interface. Next.js, a framework built on React, was used to optimize the website with features like automatic routing, server-side rendering or SSR, static site generation or SSG, and default performance optimization. I also use TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that provides explicit type definition, making the code more structured, error-resistant, and easier to maintain, especially beneficial as the program grows. For styling, I utilize Tailwind CSS, a utility for CSS framework that enables rapid development with consistent design without writing lengthy custom CSS file. Additionally, I use standard CSS for global styles and some customization combined with Tailwind CSS for flexibility. This combine of React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Next.js allow me to build a visually appealing structured style, fast loading, and easily expandable website. HTML structure. Since I'm using React with Next.js, the HTML structure is generated via TXT or TypeScript XML rather than traditional HTML files. Nevertheless, I apply semantic HTML elements like main section, header, and footer to enhance accessibility and SEO. Styling. I combine two approach Tailwind CSS and custom CSS. Tailwind enables styling directly through class name attribute, making development faster and consistent. For global styles, I use a global CSS file where I set background color, text color, font, and others. TypeScript. TypeScript greatly improves code quality. For example, in the skill component, I declare an interface for the skill array. So if I input data incorrectly, TypeScript will warn me. This helps prevent bugs and maintenance a clean data structure, especially when collaborating. The project is built with Next.js and Tailwind CSS using a modular approach. Each section like header, home, about, service, resume, and other is a separate component. The main structure includes first, app folder containing global CSS, layout TSX, and page TSX. Second, all page sections are in component as individual components, making management and future development easier. Main folder apps include global CSS, contains global style rules for consistent visual appearance across pages. Second, layout TSA, the top-level layout component wrapping all pages, including SEO metadata and DarkShame setting. And the last, page TXX, the main page layout styled with Tailwind, filling the viewport and padded.
The header component is a crucial part of the website user interface, serving as the main navigation bar that remains visible to user at all time. As a functional React component, it is designed for efficiency and easy management. The header element is semantically marked to denote the site introduced, which is important for proper HTML structure and accessibility. The design utilizes Tailwind CSS class such as flag call, flag row, justify between item center, py4, px4 to create a flexible, responsive layout. On mobile device, flag call, the logo and navigation item are stacked vertically, while on large screen, flag row, they lie horizontally, ensuring responsiveness across device. Visually, this header features a black background with a medium shadow. It is fixed at the top of the screen, fixed top 0, left 0, right 0, Z50, ensuring easy access to navigation at all times. On the left side, it displays the name Marcelinda Rukmana as the main title, styled with brick pink text and bold font to highlight the identity. On the right, there is a nav element containing a list of navigation items. These items are defined in a JavaScript array: home, about, service, resume, skill, project, contact, and dynamically rendered using the map method. Each link points to relevant section within the same page to enable smooth scrolling navigation. Hover effects change the tag color to pink for visual feedback. Using key in React Map function is a best practice for optimizing rendering. Overall, this header demonstrates a clean, responsive, and accessible navigation implementation, leveraging React and Tailwind CSS for an optimal user experience. The home component serves as the hero or introductory section of the website, designed to immediately introduce myself and highlight my essence. As a functional React component, it emphasizes modularity and performance. The section home element provides semantic markup, aiding internal navigation and document structure. The layout is highly responsive, utilizing Tailwind CSS classes such as flag call reverse, flag row. This means on mobile device the image appears above the text, while on large screen the text appears on the left and the image on the right, creating a balanced and engaging visual composition. On the left side, there is a text block introducing myself, starting with "Hello, my name is," followed by Marcelinda Rukmana with the first name highlighted in bright pink. Below, I include my identity as a student of information system and technology, and a brief paragraph describing my interests and skill in UX design, copywriting, event management, and my dedication to contributing my best. A download resume button allows visitor to download my CV directly. At the bottom of the left section, there is a row of social icon. At the bottom of the left section, there is a row of social icons: Favon, LinkedIn, GitHub, Medium, Envelope, from React icon. This icon enhance visual appeal and serve as direct links to various platforms and contact options, providing multiple ways for visitors to connect. On the right side, I include an image of myself rendered with Next.js image component for optimized loading, lazy loading, and automatic compression. The use of layout field and object containing ensures the image scales appropriately within its container without distortion. Overall, the home component functions as an attractive, engaging introduction, exemplifying best practice in React development, Next.js image optimization, responsive design with Tailwind CSS, and icon integration for an enriched user experience. The About Me component is an essential part of my web project, designed and built with modern client-side web development principles. As a function React component, export default function About it reflects best practice in modular UI development, enabling easy management and reuse. Structurally, it uses the semantic section About element, which provide a unique identifier for internal navigation, such as scrolling to this section, and improves accessibility and SEO. For styling, I utilize Tailwind CSS with extensive class name. This utility-first approach allows rapid UI development and ensures consistent design throughout the application. Classes like flag call, item center, justify center demonstrate my understanding of Flagbox for responsive layout, ensuring optimal display on various screen size from desktop to mobile device. Content-wise, this section introduces myself and highlights relevant skills such as intuitive UI or UX design, responsive development, effective copywriting, and my commitment to continuous learning in web development and programming. It effectively showcases my ability to create a modular, responsive, and semantically meaningful interface, aligning with the core principles of client-side web development. The service component clearly outlines the main skills and expertise I offer, emphasizing how this service supports business growth. As a simple functional React component, its code structure is concise and easy to understand. The section service element provides semantic markup, facilitate internal navigation. The section begins with an engaging subtitle, "I like to make things easy and fun," followed by a main heading, "My special service for your business development," with keyphrase highlighted in pink. The core content is stored in an array of JavaScript objects, con service, each defining an icon, a title, and a brief description. This approach makes the list of services easy to update and scale. Visually, each service is presented as an attractive, informative card. The layout uses Tailwind CSS classes such as grid, grid call 1, grid call 2, grid call 3, gap 6, ensuring a responsive grid that adapts from single column on small screen to 3 columns on large screen. Each card features a dark background, padding rounded corners, and a stable border. On hover, the border color transition to pink, providing elegant visual feedback. Inside each card, an icon from React Icons is centered at the top with pink color, followed by the service title in bold and a concise description. Overall, the service component presents a well-organized, visually appealing list of offerings that effectively communicates my skill. Leveraging React for data management and Tailwind CSS for modern, responsive styling. The resume component displays my educational background and professional experience in a clear, easy-to-read format, emphasizing my problem-solving skill. As a functional React component, it is neatly structured to present this information effectively. The section resume provides semantic markup and allow direct navigation. Visually, this section features a black background with white text for a consistent theme. It includes a subtitle, My Resume, and a main heading, Real Problem Solution, emphasizing my result-oriented approach. The content is arranged in a two-column grid, separating education on the left and experience on the right, with a mobile-friendly single-column layout for smaller screen. Each column displays a timeline with vertical pink borders and small pink outline circles representing timeline point. The timeline layout creates a modern professional look. Education entries include institutions like SMAN 7 Bekasi, IPB University, and Cakrawala University with details such as majors, year, and achievement. The present status in highlighted in pink indicating ongoing studies. Experience entries list position held such as quality control staff and various organizational roles with dates including active position marked with a present. This structure timeline effectively showcases my background and problem solving capabilities. Overall, the resume component presents a professional, visually engaging overview of my educational and professional history, combining React and Tailwind CSS for a clean, responsive design. The skill component visually display my professional competency, providing a quick overview of tools, platform, and programming language I am proficient in. As a straightforward React functional component, it uses semantic section skill for accessibility. The section starts with the subtitle My Talent and the main title Professional Skill. Skill data is stored in an array of objects, each with a name and icon from React Icon or VA and React Icon or C. Visual presentation use a responsive grid. Grid calls 2, grid calls 3, grid calls 4, gap 6, ensuring adaptability across device size. Edge scale is displayed as a card with a dark background, rounded corners, and a hover effect that slightly lightens the background. Icons are prominently displayed at the top in pink and size large, with the skill name below in bold. This component effectively communicates my expertise visually and interactively, utilizing React for data management and Tailwind CSS for modern, responsive styling. The project component showcases my latest work or portfolio project, providing concrete example of my experience and skill. As a React functional component with use client, it manages internal state for interactivity. The section begins with Let's Work and explore my popular project, emphasizing the portfolio aspect with a pink highlighted projects. Project data is stored in an array of objects, each including title, description, image search, and category. Projects are displayed in a responsive layout, alternating between image and description for visual interest. On a large screen, the layout uses Flexbox with FlexRow and FlexRow Reverse to create a dynamic alternating pattern. On smaller screen, it's stuck vertically. A key feature is the View More Project button, which initially shows a limited number of projects, default 3. Click this button, expand the view to display all projects, managed via a state variable, use state. The button only appears if there are hidden projects remaining, enhancing user experience. Overall, the project component effectively presents my work with a modern responsive design and simple interactivity built with React and Tailwind CSS. The Contact Me component is designed as a comprehensive communication bridge, enabling visitors to connect with me via various methods. It consists of two main parts, contact information on the left and an interactive contact form on the right. The left side invites visitor with Let's Talk for your next project and lists my key skill with icons from React Icons such as VA check circle to emphasize my abilities. It also includes direct link to my online profile, LinkedIn, GitHub, Medium, email, and phone number, each represented by icon with hover effect. On the right, I include an interactive form built with React, managing form data and submission status using useState. The form includes fields for name, email, and message, with client-side validation for completeness and email format. Upon submission, it sends data asynchronously to a configured Google Form via post with mode no course. Feedback on submission success or failure is displayed. and the submit button dynamically updates to indicate loading or success. Overall, this contact component creates an effective, aesthetic, and user-friendly communication channel, utilizing Tailwind CSS for styling, React for interactive, and external service for form handling. The footer component is an essential part of the website, serving as a visual and informational closing section. As a simple React function component, it is easy to integrate at the bottom of each page. The footer element provides semantic structure, aiding accessibility and document organization. Visually, the footer has a black background with white text, maintaining consistency with the overall site theme. Tailwind CSS classes such as PY6 Max W6XL, MX Auto PX4, and Flex justify center item center, ensure proper spacing and created content. The footer display the copyright statement, copyright at 20 and 25, followed by my name Marcelinda Rukmana, highlighted in pink and bold, with all rights reserved as a standard closing line. This footer exemplifies a simple yet effective design, providing essential information while maintaining aesthetic consistency through clean code and styling.
After development, I deploy the website to Vercel, which offers seamless integration with Next.js project. The deploy can be accessed via the following link or by scanning the QR code on the slide. This website is built with a modular, component-based structure, facilitating maintenance and scalability. Next.js enhances performance and SEO, making the site suitable for professional purpose. It showcases real project and experience, providing tangible proof of my skills. The contact form encourages collaboration and professional interaction. Responsive design via Tailwind CSS ensures the site looks great on any device without sacrificing speed. In conclusion, this portfolio is more than a placement achievement. It reflects my commitment to building a professional digital presence. I hope this website marks an early step in my career journey in information system and technology, demonstrating what I have learned during this semester. Thank you very much for your attention and time. I hope this presentation gives a clear overview of my final project and the development process behind my portfolio website.